passion, boldness, purpose. These are the qualities nurtured here at REVA School of Management. Here, the future of business is being redefined.
Hi everyone, I am Shreya from Second Sem BBA. The BBA program at the REVA University offers a great combination of academic excellence and career opportunities, bringing practice to theory.
The specializations provided by REVA School of Management have many options. Myself Manoj, these opportunities had led me to open up many options for future career.
I'm Rojas Roy from first year second sem. At School of Management, students are encouraged to be job providers rather than job seekers.